Welcome to GetLicensed.com, your resource for California contractor license study guides. Our online practice exams and written study guide books can ease your homework headaches. We provide you with condensed study materials to pass the C-29 Masonry license and exam, saving you countless hours of studying. What is a C-29 contractor license? A C-29 license is issued to a contractor who installs concrete units and baked clay products, concrete, glass and clay block, natural and manufactured stone, terracotta, and fire brick or other material for refractory work. Now, there are some basic requirements. You have to be 18 years or older, have a valid driver's license and social security card, and not currently be on probation or parole. There are also some experience requirements, having 4 years full-time level experience and a qualified person to sign off and document your experience. Let's take a look at what to expect during the exam. It is closed book, so no reference materials or study guides or books can be brought into the exam room. The questions are formatted in multiple choice, so it's A, B, C, D. There are going to be some mathematical computations, and a calculator will be provided to you. The testing is done on site, and the results are immediate. Let's take a look at the exam and how it's broken down. It's broken down into 7 major sections. Let's take a look at each one of those. Planning and estimating covers about 12%. Job site preparation is going to be a large percent of the questions that are asked on the exam, which covers about 24%. Masonry, wall, and building installation and repair is around 16% of the questions. Decorative masonry installation and repair coming in at 10%. Masonry, veneer, and stone installation and repair, 8%. Fireplace, chimney, and barbecue installation and repair, 11%. And finally, safety questions are going to be about 19% of the exam. Let's take a look at some sample questions you might encounter on the exam. While planning to pour a footing requiring 6 yards of concrete, the contractor overestimated the job by 1 yard. How should the contractor handle the excess material? B, send it back in the delivery truck. 2, what area does 550 blocks of 8-inch by 8-inch by 16-inch CMU cover? 490 square feet. Which of the following hazards is the greatest concern when storing gas cylinders? D, undue absorption of heat. Are you still nervous? Did you know the California Contractors State License Board provides you with the resources to study for the exam? Now, most licenses have anywhere from 5 to 10 encyclopedia-sized books to study from. What we've done is we've taken all of those books and condensed them into paragraphs. And just as important as condensing those, we categorize them, so in the end, we provide you with a Cliff Notes study guide. In our study guides, you will be prepared to take your California Contractor License exam by being fully prepared with just the right amount of information. Let's take a look at what's included. You'll receive a printed and bound study guide book that's written by real tradesmen and California construction law attorneys. You'll also get online access to practice exams with traditional formatting of A, B, C, D questions and flashcards. And you get to take that practice exam as many times as you need. You also have the option to add on lectures that correlate with the content in the study guide, giving you the classroom-like experience. And those are presented by California construction law attorneys and tradesmen. And those lectures are available online streaming, video, or audio disc. We believe that the best study preparation products can only come from the best instructors. Our knowledge and passionate commitment are your assurance that we make it simple to pass your California Contractors exam. By combining old world concepts and practices with the most current technology, we have developed simple, effective teaching curriculum with proven results. Preparing for an exam can be stressful. GetLicensed.com can help with an online prep course and books that will help you soar. We have helped countless contractors get ready for their exam. Let GetLicensed.com help you pass with relative ease.